Armenia. I'm so happy. Are you happy?
Of course.
Well, right now we're going for lunch or dinner. It's dinner time.
Dinner time. Yeah.
Dinner time, and I found this place is Armenian traditional food restaurant, and I want to try some Armenian traditional food. That's why we are going there.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. We're just walking over there. It's very near. It's just 450 meters. So I'll let you see a little bit of Armenia street. It's very beautiful downstairs. That's when you walk past by a lot of the beautiful flower. I tempted to buy some flower.
Yeah.
But still much better to see them from far without spending money.
Yeah.
See? This beautiful street here.
It's a lot like Europe, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot like Europe.
This is a Lada car here. You can see it in the movies and stuff. It's a Russian car. Oh, there's someone in it. And they actually still make Ladas now. And the body style hasn't changed all that much. So they have these little like fruit and drink stands on every corner. Love all the dogs here. Yeah. I ran this way this morning. There's another Lada right there. See how they're all boxy? The new ones are boxy too. There she goes inside, local food. So this is what former Soviet apartments looked like. They have these kind of stairs like this, walk-ups, and here's our place. So this is our apartment in the yellow vans, and this is my boyfriend here. 𝐿.
I'm here already, and this TV, bed, and we have a small balcony here, which is nice. But this is nice. Wow, the view is clear. Nice view.
It's a nice day.
Yeah, and this is our toilet here. Same, actually you have hot water and everything. And also we have a washing machines. It's nice. And this is a kitchen area. I have a big fridge, water boiler, cooking stuff, hot water. Yep, that is our place here in the Yellowvans. And from here you can see the view, and we're just outside of here, the roadside here. You can see downstairs. Cool. So this is our pay here.
This is like the expat grocery store. Has a lot of foreign foods in it and stuff. So you have lemon?
How much for this price? Very expensive, huh?
Yeah, some of the food here is expensive. The imported food's expensive. Here's an example of foreign food. You have 𝒕𝒕. Where's the 𝒕𝒕? Oh, there it is. There's 𝒕𝒕. It's 2,000, which I think around $5–6 for a little thing like that. And then you could, if you want to experiment, you could come eat some local things and see if you like them. They're much cheaper, less than half price. And then if you find one you like, you're saving a lot of money. You know, it's like $2.25 after that. We're in Armenia, and this is Armenian bread.
Yeah, it is very amazing, huh? It's a big one, long, and this 2 pieces of this is about 366 local money.
75 cents or 90 cents.
And also this bread is very nice to eat with hummus, and I have Iranian friends, they eating with this kind of bread with cream cheese, honey, walnuts, and wrap it together and eat it as a breakfast or snack. It's very nice bread.
Wow, that would be good on any bread, that combination. Very nice. See how much it is. 1 kilo, yes. Askıpes. Nereye aldınız? $600 for the little greenies and a tomato. It's about $1.50.
No, no pricing. You want a small one? Can I have one? No? How much?
200.
Yes. 200? 200. Oh, 200. Oh, 200.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So you want cilantro?
Yeah.
Cheaper.
Okay.
Gracias.
So she got all 3 of those for 500, I think.
500. It's a very good deal.
Yeah.
I need to take a photo here.
500 is like $1.20 for the onion, the cilantro, and whatever that other green stuff is.